Hi and welcome to the introductory video around the SLIC positioning kit. So SLIC stands for SymmetriSleep Leg Improvement Kit, and it's going to be used by patients that have perhaps a windswept presentation or a frogged presentation, but they're tight as well on the backs of their legs. And you might want to use this rather than a full SymmetriSleep system. So it's just to support and make those lower limbs more comfortable. So it comes with a baseboard, 2 securing blocks, 2 medium-large brackets, 2 pads for the brackets, and a D pillow and cover as well. So to assemble the SLIC, you've got a block which locates underneath the board, and then the bracket goes above. The top of the block goes into place, and then you line that up and hold it in place with that little screw thread nut. So that lets you then move that bracket in and out as required. So if a client is wind sweeping, you can bring it in on the side that they're sweeping over to prior to inserting it. So let's suggest they are sweeping over that way, and then put those pads on to make it all soft and comfortable. And then your D pillow is going to go underneath the client's knees, and then you're going to slide that SLIC into position with that bit in on that side, just to encourage those wind sweeping legs back over into the midline. And it can all be secured down onto the base of the mattress with the securing straps, so everything can be nice and solid then. And that's the SLIC kit standard with the D pillow. Hello, I'd like to introduce you to the SLIC contracture kit, which is comprised of the baseboard, 2 pairs of medium-large brackets, the securing blocks, and bracket pads for those brackets. It also comes with a D pillow, a G roll, and a G plus roll as well. And everything can be secured in place with the straps that come with it as well, just to fix it in position. So that's the SLIC contracture kit. Hello, I'd like to introduce to you the SLIC full kit, which is comprised of the baseboard, 2 medium-large brackets, the securing blocks, and 2 medium-large pads which cover the brackets and make them soft and comfortable. You've then got a EL horseshoe cushion, a G roll, and a G plus roll, and then that comes with the securing straps to hold everything in position. So that's the SLIC full kit.